One of the cool things about going to Overland Expo is being able to get your hands on all sorts of really cool stuff. You know, there's a whole bag full of things that I picked up while we were there, and you get some pretty good deals. Now, one of the things I came across is this Cookset by a company called Kovea, apparently from South Korea. You can see the writing down there. It's supposed to be good for 7 to 8 people. Plenty of pieces that you can see here. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. One of my spawn is really interested in claiming that little tea kettle away from it. Since I don't drink coffee or tea, that'll be fine. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what we got. We can see here that it comes in this cute little mesh and vinyl bag. Obviously, you're not going to want to put it in there while it's all hot and everything, but the nice thing about the mesh is that if you put it away wet, it's not going to get all moldy in there. That's not going to trap any of the moisture. Out of the bag, here it's all stacked up. Kind of nicely packaged here. We'll go ahead and strip off the plastic and see what we got. And here is everything unboxed. It's got 4 little plates there, 7 little rice bowls, a rice paddle, a soup spoon or ladle, I guess there. You've got 3 different sizes of pots with lid. You'll notice that each of the pots and the pans have a little folding handle here so that you can hold those out like so and be able to hold them over the flame. So each of them has that sort of folding handle business there. There's a steamer, another little dish, and a frying pan. So the frying pan is non-stick. A little bit of advertisement there about it. Everything's in Korean there. Little pad so you can keep the pan from getting scratched up, and again the aforementioned tea kettle. So looking forward to being able to using this out in the wild. It's going to allow me to consolidate my Cookset significantly at this point, to the point where I can actually have even more room in the Jeep for other important items. Yeah. Actually, when I go on the E3 Overland Grand Canyon trip, I'll use this set. And we'll give you a longer term review of it, minus the tea kettle, which of course I'll be losing very soon. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, share, comment what else you would like to see in the overlanding world. I'm still a noob at this whole thing, so it was fun doing that sort of shopping. I'll be doing quite a few more of these videos because I picked up more than a few things at Overland Expo West in 2021 here. Thank you very much for watching.